viruses and bacteria are the main enemies of humans and most animal species, it's a different story for scavenger birds. Just as the name suggests, scavenger birds are species that enjoy consuming dead animals. Even in a decomposed state, they clean up the remains of other predators' meals or feast on animals that have died due to illness. They may even consume elderly members of their own group, who might not be spared by other predators. For other animal species, preying on decomposed animals can have serious consequences. Generally, the meat of a decomposed animal becomes a hub for Earth's viruses, bacteria, and parasites. This is especially true if the animal's death was caused by a virus. However, for scavenger birds, viruses and bacteria are not a serious issue. This is because scavenger birds, also known as carrion birds or vultures, have an excellent digestive system, ensuring their health is not compromised by viruses and bacteria. Once the food enters their stomach, the scavenger bird's protective system quickly neutralizes it. Scavenger birds are known to have a stomach with a pH of 0.7, indicating a highly acidic and hazardous environment. To put this into perspective, the acidity level in a human stomach is around pH 2. The lower the pH, the higher the acidity. This acidity allows scavenger birds to dissolve bones, a feat most animal species cannot accomplish due to bones being composed of proteins that are tough to break down by enzymes. Not only can their highly acidic stomach dissolve bones, but it can also dissolve lead bullets commonly used by hunters. The stomach of scavenger birds is so acidic and corrosive that bacteria in the food remains cannot survive passing through it. This ensures the safety of their digestion. In addition to their strong stomach acid, the digestive system of scavenger birds also harbors pathogenic bacteria that can cause diseases in other animals. Scavenger birds are known for their cunning and greedy behavior. They don't attack healthy prey but rather injure or kill prey that is sick or wounded. If the prey is too large to consume alone, they usually wait for the largest scavenger bird to finish eating. Battles involving a large number of scavenger birds are not uncommon. They stop eating when their crop, a pouch in their throat, feels full. They don't carry food for their young with their talons but rather with their crop, which is then regurgitated. For many people, scavenger birds are considered repulsive due to their habits associated with decay. They are often seen as having a dirty lifestyle, especially regarding their ability to vomit the entire contents of their stomach when threatened, allowing them to fly away faster. In addition to their strong stomach acid, the digestive system of scavenger birds also harbors pathogenic bacteria that can cause diseases in other animals. Scavenger birds are known for their cunning and greedy behavior. They don't attack healthy prey but rather injure or kill prey that is sick or wounded. However, in reality, scavenger birds also have many positive aspects. These birds rarely kill other animals and are very loyal to their partners. They raise their offspring together, relax, and bathe together happily. Moreover, they play a crucial role in ecosystems that is often underestimated. They have the ability to quickly clean and recycle the carcasses of animals. A single scavenger bird can devour about 1 kilogram of meat in 1 minute, while a sufficiently large flock can consume an entire zebra from nose to tail in 30 minutes. Without their presence, decomposed carcasses would persist longer, leading to an increase in insect populations and the spread of diseases.